No doubt. Spicy, hot, hot. Here, Vic, eat. Eat.
Not even in any of those.
You want the rest
The
of it?
DS games.
Okay.
I doubt it, because I just took the game. That's not even the case. So you lost your game.
I'm finally feeling it all in right now. I have moved the muebles. I have moved my bed.
You,
I have moved my wardrobes. I found Harvest Moon, but I can't find Animal Crossing.
Oh, sorry.
So now
You
I'm
want some
gonna take like
donuts
a
in
day break, and then tomorrow I'm gonna take out everything from my room to look for.
Worst case, just buy a new one.
It's $60.
It will be okay.
What?
My sister lost the game.
Okay.
Which game?
A game for a Switch.
I have found the switches. I found every single case. I cleaned the study. I went into the garage. I moved the living room furniture.
How much is the game?
$60.
Oh no, you better keep it safe.
Right? I don't want to buy a new one.
Oh, that progress gone.
What kind of game? What the
I'm
name?
more worried about
It's about you going to an island and having to pay a debt,
Oh.
right?
Conversation will be in my camera. And I will put on YouTube.
Oh, wait. Oh, shit. Are you recording?
Yep.
Oh, no. Bye.
So you. I'm gonna text her saying, text back.
I don't know. Yeah, she like she cried.
He dropped his shrimp on the
okay.
floor.
Mommy make you a different one. Put it on.
Can you move so I can fit again?
Next time we move the table in the middle. Spring roll.
After years of waiting, finally I have some spring rolls. This is my favorite Vietnamese food. Right?
You want another one?
Remember in the Master Chef, what is fish sauce and why does it taste like death?
Really?
Remember that's what that one
Yeah.
female contestant said.
Wow, it's good. You like it? Here. Oh, that's mine. Mommy make you one. You want cucumber or no? No cucumber. Okay. Wow, you see? You roll like that. You do like that. And now you have a roll. Eat your roll. Eat your roll.
Make it small for him or close it for him. Really, can I see it? Please. Thank you. No, so there's not a lot, that's why, right?
Yeah, we need to wait for it to soft and then you can fold it like that. Yeah. David, yay! easily so long.
Mm-hmm.
What?
Too long.
Oh, we still have salad in
Mm-hmm.
the fridge.
Mm.
What happened? Oh, yeah. Eat the shrimp. Yum.
We need a lazy Susan.
Oh yeah. The last time I saw in the
I can make one. Made one
YouTube.
for my mom, so I can make one for us.
can you?
I just have to go to Home Depot and get the stuff.
Oh, I'm gonna buy bread maker.
How come?
Cause I want to make bread. We can eat bread first.
Mm.
Ow, ow.
Ow, ow! Put it in
Oh,
your
no.
plate.
Put it. No, put it in your plate. What you need? Hey, eat one by one. Put it down. No, eat the meat.
I have a picture of you making sushi for the first time. The sushi, not sushi.
Look at lullaby. Lullaby. Lullaby.
He doesn't understand.
David, close the blind. Close it. He understand. He know it. Close it. Yeah, close it.
You understand?
Yeah, close it. Yeah. Good job. More. Yeah.
What do you think has more energy, David or the dog?
David. Because he just have nap and some food. Later make him some macaroni though.
I will. Kids love macaroni. Don't know why. I love macaroni, but now I don't like cheese. Every kid loves macaroni.
You want more salad?
No, we can share.
No, I still have some salad lettuce.
Excuse you.
Sorry.